Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to learn the top 5 AI tools for graphics designers. It's completely free to use them and generate your content directly. So without taking much of our time, let's get started to explore my top 5 AI tools that I think are a must-have for any graphic designer, whether you're a beginner or an expert. Let's get started. So the first on my list is Microsoft Designer. It is an AI-powered tool that brings your ideas to life with stunning visuals in a matter of seconds. It is perfect for graphic designers and it offers a wide array of templates and even real-time design enhancements, allowing you to create professional-grade content with minimal effort. Now, to access Microsoft Designer, all you need to do is to open your browser and go anywhere within the search bar and just type in Google, and then you can just search for Microsoft Designer just like so and hit on enter to bring you over here. You can click on this. It's a graphic design app that helps you create professional looking content. It will bring you over here to this platform. Preferably you can log in, and then down here you can see, just like Canva, if you've used Canva before, it's something similar. You can generate images. You have lots of AI features that you can use. You can generate images, greeting cards, icons, social media posts, and many more other features. You can generate avatars, collages and emojis, clip art. You have monograms of different types depending on what you are trying to create. You have some samples over here that you can have for inspiration, and one good thing about this is when you hover over any of the sample, you'll be able to see the prompt that generated this sample. You can see just like this one. You can edit this prompt and make it your own. If it is something you like, you can as well hover over any and you can edit the prompt and make it your own. But for this tutorial, let's try something simple. You can just come over here. This is the typing area where you try images or invitations. You can just start by coming over here. So let's say these are suggestions, okay, on what you can do. You can see different kind of suggestions on what you can try to create on your own, just like the way you have it in Canva. But then let's say for this case, we want to try to generate some images, so we'll go to images. So once you are here, you can just go ahead again and just enter your description here. Let's say we have this sample picture of a cat in a bar drinking tea with a bottle of water and some apples. Okay, so let's try this picture of a cat in a bar drinking tea with a bottle of water by the side and some apples. Now you can specify the size over here. You can click, you can have it to be square or portrait, or wide, or 16 by 9 or 1792 by 1024. So let's say we go with something simple, which is a square for this. Then we can click back, and then we can still come back to our description. If everything is okay from what you have, you can just go ahead and click on generate. Of course, you have to sign in. Let's say we use this one, generate a picture of a lion in a bar drinking tea with a bottle of water and some apples by the side. And you can see it is highly fantastic. You can see with the apples, you can see the coffee, you can see it in the swimming pool wearing the hat, and it even added some glasses. I kind of like this one to be specific. So you can play around with this, and if you like any of them, you can just go ahead and download. It's free. You can just download it. You can see directly you can download. So that's my first one. The next one on the line is Adobe Firefly. You can bring your imaginations to life with Adobe Firefly. This AI-driven design tool lets you create stunning visuals with ease, from generating unique designs to transforming your concepts into reality. You can access Adobe Firefly by just coming to your browser, just type in Google, and you can just go ahead and type Adobe Firefly, just like so, and hit on enter. We brought in over to this very platform. About this sponsored, you can just go ahead directly with this one from adobe.com. You can see Adobe Creative Cloud, which is on Adobe Firefly. So you can just go ahead and click on it. You can specify your location, and you can just go ahead and start using. Of course, you have to log in, it's free. So you can come over, there are a series of things you can do over here. The first one is you can do generative fill, where you can add different fields to your image. You can change the background and so on. And you can do text to image. You can do generative shape fill if you are interested to fill a particular image with some shapes or different kind of creative ideas. You can do generative remove if you want to remove a section of your photo or some images, some items within your photo to make it look better or make it look different. For this tutorial, let's try text to image. Okay, so you can go ahead and click on this one. Alright, and you brought in over to this very platform. Now this is the prompting area where you type in your prompt to actually generate what you want to create. And then these are sample images that have been generated by others. You can use this creativity to inspire your own. Like we said, if you select, you can view the description. You can see as you hover over, you'll be able to see the description that leads to generation of this. I kind of like this cart on this moving cart. A cat with a skateboard jumps over a skate park. You can see it's very nice. So you can select if you want to change something, you can come over here and paste it and a skate park. Okay, so you can copy this and you can come over here, you can paste it, and then you can add other details as well. Okay, so make it carry a bottle of any drink and so on. So once you are okay with the prompt that you have, you can come over here and say generate, and it's going to generate that particular card with this much detail that we've specified. All right, and you can see very nicely it is carrying a bottle of something and it's moving with it. You can see professionally. Now you can specify other things like the model that's used. This is Firefly image 3. You have changed the aspect ratio. You can make it landscape or portrait, or you can make it widescreen if you're interested. And then over here you can change the content type and to look like an art or a photo. You can just generate. You can enable any of them from here, and then you can add some composition references. If you have any reference image that you want to use, you can upload that image and they'll use that as a reference. And then you can specify from this different color style, and then these are styling of different types. You can increase or decrease the visual intensity from here. I do usually keep everything at default. If you have any reference as well, you can use or from the one that is available in the gallery. And then you have some effects over here, popular, movement, themes, and so on. You can specify also down here, and color tone, you can specify lighting, camera angles, you can specify also from here. And then once you are open or okay with what you have created, for example, let's make this widescreen, you can just come over here and click on regenerate, and it's going to regenerate this image in widescreen or capturing all of the features that you've specified here in this specification or general settings. And you can see it has regenerated our image in widescreen. So this is my second one. Alright, so the next on the line is Designs AI. Designs AI, this is an all-in-one powered AI tool that helps graphic designers create logos, videos, banners, and many more in just a few clicks. To access Designs AI, all you need is to come to your browser, type in Google, and just go ahead and search for Designs AI just like so, and just hit on enter. You brought in over to this very platform. Free online logo, image, AI chart, video, and voice creator. So you can just click on this, the first one. Be brought in over here. Of course, you have to log in to enjoy it, so you can check out. There are different features of what you can do with it. You can do AI draw if you want to draw something. You can do AI chart. You can do face swapper, and you can do image maker directly, or you can create AI writer with it directly, or video maker. You can create videos and even logo maker directly. All right, so you can do image to text or design maker. You can just switch, check anyone that you feel like it's okay for you, and you can directly start using. Let's use this image maker, for example. And once we are here, we can just put in the image or the text that you want to put. So let's say I want a cat on a skateboard that jumps over a skate park, carrying a cup of tea with some grapes. Okay, so this is where you put in the chart prompt, and I put mine. So this is the ratio, this is 1:1. We can change it to 16:9 if you want to change it. So let's say we'll go 16:9, and down here you have the different styles that you can choose from. If you have any available style that you want to choose, you can go ahead. But this, I want to select something like this, and then we can go to the color. Let's go with a bit of natural color. We'll go with vibrant color like this. You can go to lighting and select any of the lightings. Let's go with something simple, and then composition. If you have any composition, let's go with something natural directly. So if you are okay with everything, you can just come down here and click on generate. I understand this. Wow, and you can see right now it has just generated the image of our cat, and you can see the details of it, even though it's carrying this, and then not much details about the bottle of a cup of tea. I didn't see any cup of tea here, and then I didn't see other details. Okay, so it depends. If you want to regenerate, you can change the background, or you can do AI draw if you want to redo something like that. But then let's regenerate again and say, and probably change the composition to 1:1. Okay, let's regenerate again. All right, so you can play around with it because right now you can just go ahead and play around with it and see what you can generate and what you can change. You can see the image is perfect, even though it didn't capture most of the details. Maybe that's some caveats that you should pay attention to. And then you can come over here and download once you are okay with what you have. You can see we just downloaded it, and it's pretty clear and very perfect. So that's my third one. So the next one that I have is called Fotor AI. It helps you to generate images, also enhanced images from text. To access Fotor AI, all you need is to come anywhere within your browser, type in Google, and then you can just go ahead and search for Fotor AI. Just like so, hit on enter, and you see it over here. Generate beautiful AI images and arts from text prompts, or images online with Fotor AI image. So you can just click on the first one, and you can see free online AI image generator, turn text into image very easily. You can see some samples and then other features that you can do with them. You can do concept art, 3D cartoon, oil painting, and so on. You can see many other inspirations and samples that you can work with. So to start with, let's generate an image with this, right? So this is where you, to bring you over here, then you can put in your image text over here. So for example, let's say generate the image of a dog in a stadium playing football. All right. So you can have the option to change the aspect ratio over here. You can go with 1:1, or you can go as far as 9:16. So let's go with a 1:1 for this. And then the number of pictures you can increase from here. The styles, you can have some styles. Let's go with this photography. I think it kind of looks natural and so on, but you can select from the available ones, color magic and so on. You can select from the multiple ones that you have, and then you can see some inspiration also over here. All right, so for this, you can, once you are okay, because this is text to image, if you want to do image to image, you can also use this. So let's go ahead and click on generate to have our text to image, but then you have to log in, of course, with your Google account, and just wait for you to generate the images. All right, and you can see right now it has generated our image with a football and the stadium, and you can see it's quite nice. You can also have other features from here, like you can adjust this, or you can go ahead and download. Assuming I like this second one because it's a bit colorful, I can just go ahead and click to download and make it my favorite. And you can see right now I've just downloaded that image, very clear and very precise. Okay, so this is my fourth one. So the last one that I have for us today is called Piktochart. Okay, this AI tool helps you go from text to different kind of graphics, from maybe infographics to maybe poster or thereabout. So to access Piktochart, all you need is to come anywhere within your browser, type in Google, and you can go ahead and just search for Piktochart, just like so. Hit on enter, and it will bring you over here. Infographic maker trusted by 11 million users. So you can just go ahead, click on this, make the next generation of infographics. It just makes it very fast and with just one click. So you of course have to log in to the account. Alright, so here is the platform. You'll be brought in over here. You can come over here to create new, and you can specialize. You can specify exactly what you want. Is it a visual or infographic or poster or presentation of flyers, diagrams, whatever you want to create, banners, cards, certificates, you name it, you can create it here. Invoices, you can create it here. It's just like the normal Canva that you have, but with a little bit of more features. All right, so you even go down to video recording and upload videos, and they carry out some basic things. But for today, we're just going to use this for just creating simple infographics. So you can just click on infographics, and you can see some templates that you can use if you're interested for inspiration. You can see a lot of them that you can use if you want to select. If you don't want any of this, you can just go ahead and generate your own, or you can click start from template, start from a blank template. You can start from afresh. You can see from the templates, you can edit templates or you can preview them directly. But for this tutorial, our main target is the AI infographic generator. So you can come over here to the top and click on generate AI infographics, and it will bring you over to this very platform. So this is where you type in your prompt. Generate 5 steps to mastering online marketing. You can select from, choose your design format from here, the infographics. You can choose from the available ones. Let's go with something simple. Let's go with something like this. You can just go ahead and come over here and say generate. Okay, and you can see it has just generated our infographics. So you can see it's very clear. You can see it directly. You can say master online marketing. You can see define your goals, understand your audience, create valuable content, and so optimize your SEO and track you and analyze your key things. If you like, you can change the image directly from here. You can choose, go ahead and choose to select another image. Right? So if you like, you can edit these infographics by clicking, and then you can go ahead and edit it directly in the editing panel. Right, you'll be brought in over here, and then you can go ahead and do your editing. You have a lot of features like the text features, the graphics features, the design components, coloration, charts, maps, and so on, just like the way you have in Canva. And once you're done, you can come over here and click on download, and then you can specify what kind of formats do you want to download. You can go for PNG, and then you can just go ahead normal quality and just go ahead and download. You can see right now it has downloaded the file that I'm interested in, for example this first one. So it's up to you to go on and try. These are my 5 selected AI tools that are free to start and that for creators, for graphics designers. If you're interested, you can just explore the 5 and see what you can do to kickstart your inspiration and promote your product or your online presence. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.